Just pull it up right here. And we got a screw, little Phillips head. Next up, take a body clip, pop this panel off, just slide to the side of it. Just held in by some clips. Forgot to mention, slide this forward. So I believe it's this one and this screw. Alright, so once you raise this up, there'll be 3 connectors. I recommend getting it from the passenger side. They are a pain, but the tabs are facing the passenger door. Lastly, take your body clip, panel thing, tool, remove this guy. The whole thing should lift out. Keyword should. There we go. Easier. Just for one of the fingers for the details. Oh yeah, that's convenient. Alright. Whoa, okey-dokey then. Always fun. Okay, it's 1/12 mil. Alright. There we go. Just looking at 14 millimeter. So, pop it off. Put hands together just in case the fluid tries to come out. Ah, nice. There we go. Alright, 4 clips. You just push this little guy. Then you have 1, 2, and there's a 3rd clip right here. And this harness itself, the big harness, has a little clip. This little 10 mil back here, just power wire. I'm not sure. I assume it's power. Alright, power wire's out. So I'm actually gonna skip a few steps. And I'm gonna focus on the top bolt. There should be 3, 1 right there, 2 to the left of it. Let's see if I remember how to use a damn ratchet strap. This thing's so sketchy. Jesus Christ. Oh, oh. Always fun, a little sketchy, just because how high up you gotta get these cars to slide it out. But block of wood, subframe. Obviously, every inch you go up, watch those back jack stands, but slid right out, man. Easy peasy.